Hi, I'm Nigel, and today I want to show you how to use the Project Requirements Gathering template in Collide. The Requirements Gathering template is an easy-to-use, guided framework to capture what's necessary for each stage of a project to carry it to completion. This template enables your team to review documentation and contribute to requirements during me time, creating time and space for more thoughtful feedback and reaction. You can discuss the collected feedback during we time to create a shared understanding of what is moving forward. Requirements gathering can help identify the features, functions, and activities that a team must complete to deliver a project's goals. It serves as a point of reference to document the evolution of a project and as a blueprint for your customers or stakeholders to better understand what to expect. It can also help you determine how you can meet your project goals effectively. The requirements gathering template uses the following topics for discussion. Identify stakeholders, anyone invested in the project, both internal or external. Goals, what are you seeking to accomplish? Requirements, technical requirements, business requirements, and stakeholder requirements. Anything that you need in order to achieve your business goal, and be specific. Success criteria, how will you define the success of a project? What will it look like and how will it be measured? Potential costs and risks. What are the costs or hours worked associated with each stage of the project? What are the potential risks that could affect the delivery or deadline? Open questions. Anything your team needs more information or answers on. As the facilitator, you'll want to set your team up for successfully contributing to these topics. To do that, we suggest you add the following content to your overview page: a project overview, interview notes, customers or client information, links to previous projects that may be associated with this one, internal conversations that may be relevant to this project, and a team agreement. Next, you'll want to pre-populate the project overview space, then each of the topics with at least 1 to 3 ideas so that your team understands the framework and how to contribute. After getting the space set up, invite your team and give them some time to review the information, add their input, and react to each other's. You can help spur these conversations with @mentions in the comments. Give your team a few days and perhaps a few reminders to populate this. If there is anyone in your team who doesn't feel comfortable sharing, or there has been any conflict, you may want to enable anonymity to ensure they feel safe contributing their authentic perspectives. After your team has reviewed the page and shared their input, you'll walk through these in a real-time meeting. Set the stage with a quick overview of the project and customer or stakeholders. Remind everyone that their input is critical in ensuring the project is carried through to completion. Next, you can move on to discussing ideas and comments one by one to help build shared understanding and consensus. This is a great time to uncover hidden stakeholders, address questions, clarify goals, and tag and assign actions. The next tool you can use is voting, which can be done during me time and can be used to prioritize requirements. We also suggest you engage stakeholders in the voting process to share their perspectives on prioritizations, risks, and costs. This will give you a holistic view to ensure every stakeholder is heard, thereby greatly reducing risks to the project. Get your team set up for it with a quick overview. We recommend 3 votes per person per topic. Once the vote has been cast, you want to review the results in another real-time meeting. Use this time to go over the results and to be sure everyone has participated and understands the process. We found that sometimes during these meetings, people voice that they would have voted differently if they had fully understood something that may have not been clear before. If this is the case, we recommend setting up one more round of votes, then one more synchronous meeting to review the results. After the meeting, it's one click to export your actions to your favorite project management systems like Asana, Basecamp, Jira, or Workfront. We recommend doing a write-up that can be shared with the team and the customer as well. If you recorded the real-time meeting, we suggest adding that along with your write-up to the information sharing page for future reference. If you need additional help with defining goals and assessing risks, we have templates for those too, and we've included links to access them in the video description below. We think this is a great way to gather requirements for your next project, and we hope you'll try it with your team. We also have template emails, Slack messages, and calendar invite content, and checklists to help you facilitate better requirements gathering sessions on that same page. You can get started with this template for free at letscollide.io/requirements gathering.